Yep, it's time for another box unboxing. I was going to say box opening. I guess it's the same thing. This one I've already peeled all the stuff off of. This one's from Jody Sims. And this is a casting that I got as a giveaway. Congrats on winning the VW Dibs Custom. Only fitting that the master of the giveaway wins the giveaway. Hope this finds you well. Enjoy the car and a few other doodads I threw in. Thanks for all you do. Take care and God bless. Jode Zero. Jody Sims has a YouTube channel. He just did the Wastelands, the Gaslands battle that we were all in. Let's see. Gee, there's a bunch of stuff in here. Jeez. There's muscle and bone. These are ones he just threw in. Muscle and bone casting. Hyper rocker casting. That's cool. Huh. A twin mill. Oh, I might not be holding these right on camera. I just realized that. So here's some of them here. That's a cool looking twin mill. Here's the one that he did. It's a custom that he did. Oh, look, he put Jode Zero up here. If you can see that in the reflection. Yeah, this is a custom golf that he did for that invitational. And I commented on this video. So I got lucky and I won this. So that's pretty cool. That turned out cool. And one of the Hot Wheels mystery models. Should I open it on camera? Yeah? Sure? Okay, let's see which one's in here. Oh, this is cool. This one is a bone shaker. How cool is that? What are the odds? Huh, that's an interesting looking one. I need to do another custom bone shaker one of these days. So that's everything I got from Jody, especially the custom. I'll put a link to his channel in the description for this video. Be sure and go check him out. And let's move on to some more stuff. These are two auction wins that I've got here. These are things that I just want to work on for myself. And this one, the nice thing about being at the bench when I do this is I have knives and scissors around. These are two Corgi Whiz Wheels castings that I saw on eBay. And what I'm thinking, they're two Porsches. This is a Porsche Carrera 6 and a Porsche 917. And I want to customize at least one of these. And I'm thinking I might get a jump on Maple Leaf Customs event for next year. This one with the blue glass, I'd be tempted to paint like a silver or a gray. So that's kind of cool. So that was the reason for getting that. And if I remember right on what's in here, this auction, yeah, this was an eBay auction. And I kind of bought all of these for one particular casting. What I do on a lot of auctions is I try not to buy a lot of stuff. I've got too much already. But what I'll do is I'll make an offer on the auction. I'll either make an offer or I'll try and snipe it right at the end. And this one has some interesting castings. That's a Tomica Model T Ford. This one is a Hot Wheels something or other. I've seen that 100 times. I'm waiting to get to the one that is the reason I bought it. This one, I believe, is a McDonald's giveaway. A Happy Meal casting. Has a metal base. There's another Hot Wheels. Get real Hot Wheels. So far, I'm saving that one for last, because that's the reason I got it. This is a boom box with Gotham City on it. Most of these are probably going to end up in, oh, that's an Ertl 32 Ford Coupe with At least one opening door. Yeah, both opening doors. That's kind of cool. Huh. Almost looks like a Hot Wheels wheel on the back. A lot of these will end up probably in the Silva Challenge. But what I was after is this, because I've wanted to do this for a while. This is the Lotus Esprit, but it's the James Bond one. You remember from the James Bond movie where the Lotus Esprit went underwater? It's a little bent, so I'll need to straighten that out. I'm just going to repaint it white. I might get rid of the 007. But I always loved that car, and this one just needs a little sprucing up. I saw it in this auction, and I couldn't resist. So that was my reason for getting that. So those are some that I'm going to work on. And finally, these two boxes. I've already opened them, put tape over the addresses, but I haven't got into them yet. Cut them open. These are for upcoming giveaways. I think there might be something, one or two possibly, and I guess it'd be the next box apparently, that I may want to work on. Oh, jeez, dropping stuff. I'm dropping that popcorn stuff that I definitely... Oh, I think I hit the camera too. Okay, sorry about that. Oh, don't want to hit it again. Yeah, we're running a real professional operation here. These are going to be giveaways. Yeah, these two definitely are. Yeah, this one I was really looking forward to seeing. First of all, this one is an Inno 64 Nissan Skyline GTR R32 Pandem Rocket Bunny, which is pretty cool looking. And then this one's a Hobby 64 Tarmac IXO Porsche 911 GT3R. And I just love the paint job on this. I don't know if you can make it out in this unboxing video, but man, that paint job is something else. So I'm really looking forward to giving those away. You know, I try to do the giveaways and have some fun and try to get interesting castings for it. And this set of stuff, I believe I also won, a free giveaway as part of this group. Let me get this out of the way. And I got Bubble Fun. I think this is the one that's a combination of stuff I'm going to work on and stuff I'm going to give away. I think. I know these two are giveaways. So let's see. Oh yeah, this is kind of cool. I thought this was interesting. These two, and I think these will be giveaways. This is a Pep Boys that has two castings on it. One of which is obviously a Pep Boys logo. And then this one is a Kroger giveaway. And I thought these were kind of cool. Or a Kroger casting, not a giveaway. So there's those. Let's see. And those are for upcoming giveaways. Those I'm not going to mess with. Let's see. This one I got just for me. This is a Matchbox 4x4 Scrambulance. Couldn't resist. I think it was like $2 or $3. Matchbox Road Raider, which again I think that'll be a cool Gaslands build. Let's see. A Camaro police car. That may be a giveaway. I'm not sure what I'll do with that one. And X-Racer stock car. This I think I got for free as part of a... they basically were encouraging people to bid, and they were occasionally doing giveaways. Oh, let me save that one for last. Let's do this one. I think this is another one I was thinking would be a good giveaway. Maybe not. No, I was thinking I might mess with this one. This was kind of cool. That's just such a nice looking casting. If I remember it, that's what, an old Ranchero, isn't it? No, an old El Camino. What's the matter with me? Yeah, that's an old El Camino. That's older than the El Camino I had. I had a 65. And this is a, if I can read it through there, and I can't. But that's a nice looking casting. And then this last one here, when I saw it, I had to get it for a giveaway, just because there's a lot of bone shaker collectors out there. And I'll pull the price tag off of it. That apparently is what somebody else paid for. Kind of like the $1.99 out of that one. This is a custom bone shaker. I don't know if you can see it there. But the Queen City, Cincinnati 2011, it's bagged. It's number 4 of 40. Cincy 11 on the top. So that's going to be a giveaway. I thought that might be kind of fun. So that's that batch. And I think that'll end this video. So thanks for watching. Hope you're looking forward to these giveaways. And go check out Jody's channel. And thanks for watching, everybody. Talk to you later.